Okay, everybody, so here we are in Aerofly FS2. I'm just going to be making some landings. Hopefully the landings work, because this game... I will literally... no, yeah, it's losing speed. That's not how a plane is supposed to lose speed. Okay, 40%. God. Like, what is this? It says auto-centering, but you don't auto-center when you're pulling on the yoke. You auto-center after the yoke is pulled. Yeah, we're losing some speed. I'm gonna just... We'll go... Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're not... It's gonna be like 1 out of 10 on the center line. Come on, let's butter this landing. Come on. Come on, Airbus. Oh, no. Stall. Damn it. You know what? That's alright. You know, that's actually perfectly fine with me. I'll take that landing. Again, like 2 out of 10 on the center line work. The center line is like... Gosh. Let's take a look at that landing. It's probably gonna be a pretty hard landing. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. It's just... I don't know. There's no words for that. That was... Like, what do I say? Like, it was okay. It was a professional landing, because I put the nose up, at least. Master Mandate. Alright, let's try this view. This view always gives a good idea, because, like, you know the Ryanair, the flaps are, like, at, like, 45? Like meme, the flaps are like 45, right? So we'll give you an idea. Any wing flex would give us any... Oh gosh. Oh, that was an okay landing. I think I'll take that landing at all. Like, I will take that landing. We could... What was this called again? This, I want to land here. No, but I don't want to take off. Oh yeah, I have to go to the menu for that. I guess that was an okay landing. We could try... I don't know why this game is taking so long to load. It's like, my computer is like... I don't know, maybe it's overheating. Alright, location. By the way, my computer is not overheated, because there's... Okay, yeah, here we go. We'll try one more A380 land, and then we'll go for some, like, smaller planes, so, you know, shorter runways. Hold on. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Flaps. I think we could just do it, right? We don't really need any... I'm gaining speed. I want to lose speed, but not a lot. Okay, yeah, this is good. 66. Why does it keep going back to the center? This is so annoying. Auto-centering doesn't mean pulling the yoke back on the center. It means when you're done with your turn, you put it back to the center. Isn't that how it works? Dude, the A380 is glitched in this game. Like, even the autopilot, like, it literally crashed me into a mountain. Like, what? Yeah. Yeah. Dude, turn to the left. How long does this plate take to turn? It turns faster in real life. I've seen it fly in real life. Okay, this is good. Come on. stall. You know, full power. Yeah, 10 out of, no, like 2 out of 10 on the center line. Dude, turn to the left. How many times, how many right inputs do I need? Alright, come on. Let's go, Airbus. Let's do this thing. Ah, late landing. It's okay. No. Ah. You know, that was an okay landing. Oh, nice center line, though. Like, I'll give myself an 8 out of 10 on the center line. That was a good landing, actually. Very professional. Come on, where are the brakes? Oh, yeah. Okay, what a landing, actually. That was a good landing. I'll give it to myself there. Let's watch it from here, because I kind of put the nose down. That wasn't a smart idea. And then I put it up. Ooh, was that a tail strike? From here, it looked like a tail strike. I'll get more from the this view, actually. Was this a tail strike? Nah, it wasn't a tail strike. I think this was a proper. Oh yeah. Alright, let's try this view. I always go with all the views just to make the video longer. By the way. Oh no. It was better than the 747 I did. Yeah, I think this was alright. And then I have a good way to check the landing. If it was a tail strike, I can check it like this, right? Yeah, okay, this would tell us if it was a tail strike. Okay. Oh, barely. That was only like a meter. Here, but this one will give a very good view. This was so close to a tail strike. Jeez. Dude, what the hell? Oh, yeah. Okay. Looks good on the eye. Good center line, though. This is the center line, so I need probably like an 8 out of 10 on that. Alright. We could maybe do some more landings. I don't really want to. So, okay. Yeah, I think we'll just end the video right there. So yeah, anyway, if you're watching, rate in the comments what the landing was. I'm gonna give myself on the first one probably a like 7. This one probably like an 8. So yeah, you could rate it in the comments or whatever. All right, see you guys soon.